In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Monopoly Go on iOS. Whether you're a game enthusiast or just discovering this excitement, downloading Monopoly Go on your iOS device is simple if you follow these steps. First things first, make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This ensures a fast, smooth download, free from unnecessary interruptions. Once you've verified your connection, go ahead and tap on the App Store icon, which is represented by a white A and a blue circle, usually on your home screen. Once you're in the App Store, navigate to the search bar located at the bottom of the screen, marked by a magnifying glass. Tap on it, and a keyboard will pop up to allow you to enter text. Type Monopoly Go into the search field and hit the search button. This should bring up a list of results related to your query. Now look for Monopoly Go in the search results. You'll recognize it by its vibrant, familiar Monopoly board game icon. It's important to make sure you're downloading the official app to avoid any clones or unofficial versions that might not work as you expect. When you found the right app, tap on it to open the applications page. Here, you can find more details about the game, including user reviews and additional screenshots that give you a preview of the gaming experience. Take a moment to read through some of these details if you'd like to ensure that this is the game you want. Next, you'll see a button labeled Get on the right side of your screen. Tap on it and it'll change to Install, prompting you to confirm your request. If prompted, you may need to input your Apple ID password or use Touch ID, Face ID to proceed. This is a standard security step to verify your identity and secure your downloads. Once you've confirmed, your device will begin downloading Monopoly Go. Thanks to the speed of modern connections, this process usually takes just a minute or two, depending on your internet speed and device performance. When the download and installation are complete, the Install button will transform into an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the game immediately. Alternatively, you can find the Monopoly Go icon added to your home screen for later access. With Monopoly Go now on your device, you're ready to dive into the engaging world of real estate trading and enjoy the gameplay that's captivated millions. Whether you plan on playing solo or challenging friends, you're all set to roll the dice and embark on your Monopoly journey. And that's it. You've successfully installed Monopoly Go on your iOS device. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you enjoy your gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-to videos and updates. Happy gaming!